Hi guys, welcome to Chillipot kitchen. My name is Darshini. Today I'm going to share my all-time favorite snack, Shakarpara. In Tamil Nadu we say it as sweet Maida biscuit. Shankarpali or Shakarpara is a crispy and lightly sweetened snack. These Maida biscuits are made using basic pantry ingredients. They are super easy to make for a quick and delightful snack. These diamond-shaped biscuits prepared especially during the Diwali festival or during Holi as a munching snack. These irresistible bite-sized sugar cookies can be prepared ahead of time and make for a perfect tea time snack. I'm so excited to share my mom's easy Shakarpara recipe that I grew up eating. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Looking for more instant pot or electric pressure cooker, air fryer and instant pot blender recipes? Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more easy and tasty video recipes. I post new videos every Tuesday, Friday and Sunday. Please do click the notification bell icon to get an update on my new videos. Let's get started to see how to make Shakarpara in the air fryer. Traditionally, they do deep fry. Check on the ingredients, take a screenshot of ingredients or check the description box below later. Firstly, in a bowl or cup, dissolve 1/4 cup of sugar in 1/4 cup of water. If you want a little sweeter, add extra 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar. In a bowl, add 1 cup of maida or all-purpose flour. You can also use whole wheat flour, 1 teaspoon of rava or semolina. If you don't have a semolina, you can skip it. Add a pinch of salt. 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder. This is optional. It gives a nice flavor to the biscuit. 2 tablespoons of melted ghee. If you deep fry the biscuits, it makes the biscuit stay soft after frying it. Or you can also add butter. If you deep fry the biscuits, you will feel the difference between the adding butter and ghee. When you do it in the air fryer, both versions were crispy. Combine well. Add sugar water little by little and knead to smooth and soft dough. Cover it and keep it aside for 10 to 15 minutes. Dust the working table. Sprinkle some flour over the dough as well to avoid sticking. Roll it slightly thick like paratha. If you prefer this Shakarpara to be thin, then you can roll thinly. Cut in diamond shape or square, any size of your choice. You can deep fry this in hot oil or bake it in an oven or air fryer. This is the perfect thickness. Spread the biscuits in the greased tray. I'm going to use my Instant Vertex Plus air fryer. I'm gonna select the air fry option and set the temperature as 300 Fahrenheit and time for 12 minutes. Preheat the air fryer for a couple of minutes. Mine preheats itself. Once it's done preheating, keep the tray inside and cook for 12 minutes. Cooking at low temperature will help the biscuits to cook evenly. Now 12 minutes are done. Look at this, it cooked perfectly. Just shake the tray or basket. Now the color has to change, so let's increase the temperature to 325 Fahrenheit and set the time for 6 minutes. It's done. It smells so good. Let's open and see. Wow, look at this perfect golden brown color and crispy Shankarpali is ready. Before serving it or store it, let it cool down completely. Store it in an airtight container. It stays long for at least a month at room temperature. You can keep it in the fridge also. They are freezer friendly too. There are too many names for this biscuits all over the India. They name as Shankarpali, Shakarpara, Kurma, Lakdi Mithai and Maida Biscuit. Do try this delicious Maida biscuit in the air fryer for this Diwali and enjoy the festival. It goes great as a tea time snack. Thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. Do try this recipe at your home and give me a feedback in the comment section below. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Pin the recipe on Pinterest. If you have any questions or feedback, write it in the comment section below. I will respond to it as soon as possible. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.